Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Thursday, December the 16th, 2010, and we got another market alert for you. Check it out. Okay, as we mentioned last night on the Hang Seng Index, you looked like you had broken down the trend line. We looked like we were going to make a lower low, lower than this 22.8K. We have done that, and therefore the price activity has confirmed a downtrend. You've got to move here, bounce up here, lower high, and a lower low. So this will continue. We see this candlestick formation is a bearish continuation signal to the downside. Look for more selling on that candlestick formation. It's not a hammer formation like you get back here. Okay, that would be calling for a reversal, but this is not. So we're looking for more pressure to the downside here short term. We're still overall not bearish on this particular index, and you're going to have some different conditions here. Note this previous high point of 21.8, that was a resistance level. We broke through that right here. So now resistance is going to start acting as support, and that's going to put us in line right here. So we're going to have key support at previous resistance here. Also, you're going to have support by this 200-day moving, 200 period moving average right here as being this red line. And you've also got this major uptrend line here, which is going to provide support here as well. So I don't see a lot of selling here, so I would look for a bounce at this level. So we get more selling here. He's not going to have a lot before she turns around and moves back up to the upside. I would, however, remain out of it until you get a bullish crossover of the MACD signal. Let me show you that. Okay, right here you can see the MACD moving averages. As long as the black is below the red, it remains bearish. We had a little crossover here, didn't hold, and it broke through. So now we're going to go a little bit lower. Watch for the next crossover. The next time these two lines cross, you'd be looking to go long again at that point. Otherwise, just wait. And it won't be very long. Your RSI is already down at 38.84, a lot closer to the oversold line at 30 than the overbought line at 70. Okay, so keep that in mind. Something to watch. Okay, we told you yesterday to keep an eye on the BSE index. This one is still respecting the downtrend line here, but today's activity shows that it's testing it, and it could very easily break through it. So keep an eye on that. A close above this downtrend line right here would be a bullish breakout to the upside. You'll also notice if you look at the MACD, okay, the MACD has had a bullish crossover here of their moving averages, so that would be in line for a bullish move there. It would make sense. Also, you have finding this little trend happening here, confirming your little uptrend that you're developing. Okay, so all in all, this does look like an opportunity to be a bull here. It's not overbought, and it's in a good position for a nice move to the upside. Okay, quick look here at gold. This did what we expected to do, broke down. The previous candlestick formation was bearish, looking for continuation to the downside, right at that uptrend line. So you have broken through that. Look for this to continue to sell off, and watch that MACD. It is in a bearish position here. It's just trending lower and lower. So basically, this is just needs to be consolidating before you get back into it. Wait for it. Over here in the U.S. markets, the market started off a little weak in the morning, but shook that off really quick and started moving back to the upside. The main thing here is you can keep doing that. You can't really call the exact peaks of these markets, but I can point out the RSI is on. I'm looking at the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index here, and it's at 70.16, which let me show you that it's overbought. Okay, this is the RSI indicator. Whenever she gets at the at or above the 70 line on the RSI, she is overextended. Basically, it's a overbought condition. That doesn't signal very often, but every time that they do, you start to get that headwinds on the market there. So be cautious in the U.S. markets here. We are getting overextended. You'll also notice you want to be a buyer when you get the bullish crossover. You want to be careful and a seller when you get the bearish crossover, okay? And you're getting up here and tightening up again. You can still see another move to the upside, but keep an eye on this MACD. If you get a bearish crossover like this, it's going to shift markets. So it's important to note that, okay? We do still see some key opportunities in the market where basically smart money is still accumulating key opportunities, and that's going to present more and more opportunities, and that's why I actually want a pullback in the market. It would give me a better opportunity for a lot of that. But again, if you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and we just put out a new report today on our website titled Stocks That Double. Shows you how to spot those opportunities as they're developing. It's very important, very powerful video series for you guys there, so check that out. A quick look at our disclaimer. Read it and weep. God bless, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your support.